Yamaha Troops motorbike. Technical aspects: a Suzuki GS500 with a clearly visible frame painted silver construction, so Sakinbo. Motorcycle components and motorcycle design. Motorcycle construction is the engineering, manufacturing, and assembly of components and systems for a motorcycle, which results in the performance, cost, and aesthetics desired by the designer. With some exceptions, the construction of modern mass-produced motorcycles has been standardized on a steel or aluminum frame, telescopic forks holding the front wheel, and disc brakes. Some other body parts, designed for either aesthetic or performance reasons, may be added. A petrol-powered engine, typically consisting of between 1 and 4 cylinders and less commonly up to 8 cylinders, coupled to a manual 5 or 6-speed sequential transmission, drives the swing arm-mounted rear wheel by a chain, drive shaft, or belt. The repair can be done using a motorcycle lift. Fuel economy. Motorcycle fuel economy varies greatly with engine displacement and riding style. A streamlined, fully fared Matsuzawa Honda XL125 achieved 470 mpg US 0-50 L on 100 kilometers, 560 mpg imp in the Kriegvetter Fuel Economy Challenge on real highways in real conditions. Due to low engine displacements, 100-200 cc, 6.1 to 12.2 cun, and high power-to-mass ratios, motorcycles offer good fuel economy. Under conditions of fuel scarcity, like in 1950s Britain and modern developing nations, motorcycles claim large shares of the vehicle market. The average motorcycle fuel economy in the United States is 44 miles per US gallon, 19 kilometers per liter. Stay tuned to our Motor Specs and Speed channel for daily updates on motorcycles and more. Electric motorcycles. Main article: electric motorcycles and scooters. Electric motorcycles are often derived from very high fuel economy equivalents. They are nearly zero-emission electric motor-driven vehicles. Battery technology limits their operating range and top speed. 47. Fuel cells and petroleum. Electric hybrids are also under development to extend the range and improve the performance of the electric drive system. Reliability. A 2013 survey of 4,124 readers of the U.S. Consumer Reports magazine collected reliability data on 4,680 motorcycles purchased new from 2009 to 2012. The most common problem areas were accessories, brakes, electrical, including starters, charging, ignition, and fuel systems, and the types of motorcycles with the most significant problems were touring, off-road dual sport, sport touring, and cruisers. There were not enough sport bikes in the survey for a statistically significant conclusion, though the data hinted at reliability as good as cruisers. These results may be partially explained by accessories, including equipment such as fairings, luggage, and auxiliary lighting, frequently added to touring, adventure touring, dual sport, and sport touring bikes. The trouble with fuel systems is often the result of improper winter storage, and brake problems may also be due to poor maintenance. Of the 5 brands with enough data to draw conclusions, Honda, Kawasaki, and Yamaha were statistically tied, with 11 to 14% of those bikes in the survey experiencing significant repairs. Harley-Davidson's had a rate of 24%, while BMW's did worse, with 30% of those needing substantial repairs. There were not enough Triumph and Suzuki motorcycles surveyed for a statistically sound conclusion. However, it appeared Suzuki's were as reliable as the other 3 Japanese brands, while Triumphs were comparable to Harley-Davidson and BMW. 3/4 of the repairs in the survey cost less than $200, and 2/3 of the motorcycles were repaired in less than 2 days. In spite of their relatively worse reliability in this survey, Harley-Davidson and BMW owners showed the most excellent owner satisfaction, and 3/4 of them said they would repurchase the same bike, followed by 72% of Honda owners and 60 to 63% of Kawasaki and Yamaha owners.